Hello, my name's Phil Jones. I've been a woodturner now for 37 years, and today I'm going to show you how to grind the round skew. The principles are exactly the same, whether that be a rectangular or oval or whatever type of skew you've got, it would be the same. Okay, so the important thing first off is safety glasses and fingers on the rest. If you're lucky to have both of them, tuck them up, thumb on top. Start high, come down, find the angle. It's generally about the angle you turn at. Then you work side to side. Your fingers are sliding on the rest, and you're being careful to work within the confines of the wheel. You don't want to go off, because even if you go off a little bit like that, it will leave a mark in the cutting edge. You're working within those confines. Okay? Once the spark's coming over, you turn it over, start high, find the angle, and work side to side. You'll notice there's a mark here. I use that as a visual aid for when I'm teaching. So you start high, come down, find the angle. Okay. And as I've said on the previous video, if you've got a small diameter wheel, just use a single finger so that you're not too high up the wheel and under the cover. Okay, so we've now simulated that we've ground the tool. I won't start the grinder straight off because it's a bit noisy. So when you grind the tool, this is about 60 grit. The actual finish you think you've done is a smooth grind, but it's actually serrated. So now we're going to use a slipstone as well. So you hold the slipstone with the big curve here into your palm, tip of your thumb, brace your arm against your side, brace the tool against your side. I don't use any oil. The reason I don't use oil is because very often when you're going to use a slipstone on a tool, it's when you're doing your last cut and you transfer oil onto your finished work. By having the tool or the stone so it'll bump into your belly, it means the only possible way you can cut yourself is if you come up over the top and cut the tops of your fingers. Okay, so now we will actually grind the tool. Okay, fingers on the rest, thumb on top. Start high, find the angle, side to side. You should possibly see sparks coming over the edge. They're only very small. It's not quite there. A little bit more to do. Still a little bit more. You can quench the tool in a water pot. More for your comfort on high-speed steel. Turn the tool over, start high, find the angle. So you're working side to side. A little bit more, yeah. The old dab mark on there, as it is there, you may be able to see it. There's nothing really to worry about. Okay. Thank you for watching today. Please like and subscribe to see further videos. Thank you.